The best mind tricks ever. Make sure you watch the video until the end to see an optical illusion that only kids can solve. These mind tricks are going to blow your mind, so don't miss out on that. Also, comment your answers to each question as we go through them. I'm interested to hear what you guys have to say. First, let's take a look at this mind trick you can control. So right now, you can see these blue dots spinning one way. I want you to start taking slow breaths in and out. Once you do this, your breathing will actually start controlling the dots. And then each time you breathe out, the dots will switch directions. Try this out for yourself. Next, we've got this optical illusion that will trick your mind. So right now, it looks like a pink dot is disappearing, right? Well, what I want you to do is stare at the black cross in the middle. While you're staring at the middle, the disappearing pink dots will actually turn green. So stare at the black plus sign and watch the green dots appear. This next optical illusion is known as the impossible trident. Focus on the right side of the image. It will look like the shape only has two cylindrical ends, but then when you focus on the left side of the image, it will look like there are three cylindrical ends to this shape. This optical illusion is super confusing and will have you wondering how this is even possible. Take a look at this image. Look at this picture carefully and see if you could spot anything weird about it. So there's actually a cigar right here in the middle of the wall. This is an optical illusion that's designed to trick your eyes, so if you're able to spot it, you did a really good job. Next, we've got this illusion here. So right now, you can see the 5 stars around this red dot, right? Well, there's actually a way that we could trick our eyes into making these dots start disappearing and reappearing. What I want you to do is stare at the red dot in the middle, don't move your eyes at all, and don't blink. If you do this correctly, the yellow stars will actually start to disappear and reappear one by one. The thing is that they're not actually disappearing, and your eyes are just being tricked. Stare at the red dot and try this out for yourself. Like the video and subscribe in the next 5 seconds for 1 whole week of good luck. There's a word in this photo here. Adults will just see a bunch of random lines, but kids will actually be able to see the hidden word and picture. Comment what the word in this picture is if you see it. Alright, so the hidden word in this photo is coffee, and the hidden picture is a mug. If you saw this, well done. Alright, so what does the word J-O-K-E spell? It spells joke, right? Now tell me, what is the white part of an egg called? Did you say yolk? If you did, I just tricked you because the yellow part of an egg is actually the yolk. Let me know in the comments if you're tricked by this mind trick. Next, I've got another illusion for you that's going to trick your eyes. Stare at this red dot for 10 seconds and don't blink. Alright, so right now this photo you're seeing is actually completely black and white, but if you stared at that red dot before, it should be tricking your eyes into same color. If it didn't work for you, go back and try it again. This is truly one of the best optical illusions. It's raining outside and this kid needs to get to the roof so we can take down the towels. Can you figure out which way he has to go so he can make it up to the rooftop? Try to see if you can figure this out, and then I'll reveal the answer to see if you got it correct. Alright, so this is the way the kid has to go to reach the rooftop and get the towels. If you were able to solve this, it means you're very smart. Only kids can solve this question. This next optical illusion is insane. So the gray bar on top of the orange is moving, but there's actually a way that we can make this gray bar change color. If you stare at the black dot on the bottom right of the screen, the gray bar will actually change colors into blue or green. So stare at the black dot and watch the gray bar change colors. Next, we've got these circles here. These circles are spinning, right? Well, the truth is that these circles are completely still and are not spinning at all. You can even pause the video, and the circles will still look like they're spinning even though they're not. Try it out for yourself. Take a look at these cubes here. So right now, it looks like these cubes are spinning, right? Well, this is actually an optical illusion that's tricking your eyes right now. These cubes are actually completely still. If you don't believe me, place your finger on one of the edges of the cubes, and you'll realize that it doesn't move at all. This is an insane optical illusion. Next, I've got an audio illusion for you guys. The sound is going to play over and over again, and different words will be on your screen, and whatever word you look at, it will sound like the person is saying. What I want you guys to do is listen to this carefully and let me know in the comments what you think they're actually saying. I'm super interested to hear it from you guys.